guys, I want to show you something amazing.
Food delivery!
See, I hope it's not vegetarian. Hello guys! Today, I will do a quick house tour. First, I will show you how outside look like. This is our mini garden, and my son usually play and run here. And this is our garage area. So, welcome to our house. Let's go. So this is our mini kitchen with dining area. We have 3 stoves, and I'm also happy because if I do cooking, then I see some background, some view here, so I don't feel bored. And then if I'm cooking, also not so smelly, especially if I'm frying, because if frying, you know, the smell of the oil is not nice. So at least it's outside, not so smelly when you do frying. They also provide us rice cooker, and then water dispenser, and also a big fridge. Because last time when we stay in different house, our fridge is small, so we're happy with this fridge because it's quite big. So our next destination is the washroom and our toilet. As you can see, they provide washroom outside, so it's more convenient to brush your teeth because we have a separate washroom. And this is our toilet. It's quite small, but it's okay because we have the shower. So we have water heater in our toilet. In Philippines, it's not quite common to have water heater. That's why we're so happy that we have here, because we get used to using water heater. It's quite uncomfortable to take shower when it's cold. So it's relaxing to have water heater. And our cat litter also is inside the toilet, so it's more easy to clean when he pass motion, when he do his business. Okay, so let's go to next destination. So this is our mini living room, where we usually do the family bonding. So we arrange our sofa because originally it is placed here, so it is more convenient to watch movie and do family bonding. Our house consists of 2 bedrooms. Come, I will show you. So here, no one stay here because no aircon, and then it's only fan, so a bit hot. So we just use this as storage, and then we stay here. This is our room, where you can see a nice view. That's why we like here, because the lighting is good. And then once you get up, you can see the nice view. So our son likes to play here. That's why you can see a lot of toys here. Let's go to the rooftop. So this is our rooftop area. I hope our owner will renovate this area because it offers an amazing view. Very chilling, very relaxing, and also windy. Nice also to have a barbecue party here, and also stargazing at night, where you can lay down, chill, and enjoy the stars. One of the things which I noticed here in Bali is they have different electricity system, which is quite different from other countries. As you can see, I have this receipt, which I will demonstrate to you how it works. Basically, it's like a prepaid balance for your electricity consumption. So now I will show you how we top up our electricity. And then just press this red button. I already have 324 and 49 kilowatt. Archie went out to buy some dinner. Wait, I don't know what he bought. Let's see. I hope it's not vegetarian because I'm craving for meat.
Let's see what they have in the menu. So chicken kebab, She asked it to buy something non-chicken and also non-vegetarian. Thank you. Okay, this is our order. Okay, food delivery.
Okay, thank you, Papa. So this is what he bought for me. This is mutton kebab. And for him is falafel kebab, right? And this is our salad. I would like to share to you how much is our cost of living here in Bali, so at least you have idea. But first, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the bell button. So normally for our house, we pay about 7.5 million per month. But during this pandemic, they lowered down the price rate and give us some discount of 4 million per month. And also in our agreement, we pay a fixed rate of 600 IDR for water and internet. We also pay separately for the electricity, which is cost about 600 IDR for a prepaid. And for gas for cooking, we pay about 130,000 IDR for big tank, which lasts about 3 months. We usually cook at home in the weekdays and we just eat outside on the weekend. For our drinking water, 1 gallon costs about 20,000 IDR. And then we consume about 6 gallons per month, so total price is 120,000 IDR. And for mobile data, we bought a plan which is 12 gig, which will last about a month and is cost 100,000 IDR. Originally, we pay for our motorbike about 2 million per month, but they also give us discount and now we're paying 1,250,000 IDR. And also for the petrol, full tank costs about 20,000 plus. It depends on how far you go. And for restaurant and cafe, average cost of our family meal is about 200,000 plus IDR. And monthly cost is about 2 million when we eat outside. And for the groceries, total monthly cost is about 9.5 million, which is expensive. That's why we plan to reduce our spending by visiting local markets and small stores. Because before, we usually shop our items at Pipito supermarket, which is not cheap. And for the final monthly total cost of our family, which consists of 2 adults and 1 toddler, is 19 million. Is it expensive or is still affordable? Please comment down below. We would like to hear your opinion. Guys, I want to show you something amazing. Come. Oh my god. Amazing. Wow. It's a cliff, but very nice view. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!